I'm glad to have an opportunity to speak on this Fianna Fáil bill which seeks to dramatically increase the penalties on those who commit insurance fraud. I am calling for urgent action from the government to tackle the rising insurance costs, and the message for the government is that this issue must be a priority for the government, because to date there is no sign of urgency, only lethargy. There is a phenomenal amount of anger, frustration and disappointment at the lack of progress in dealing with the issue of rising insurance costs. Motor insurance, employer insurance, public liability insurance are all rising at unsustainable rates. Added to this is the increase in rates are changes of increases in excess levels and expanded exclusion clauses included in insurance policies. Businesses throughout the country are facing crippling costs for insurance. Businesses are closing, jobs are being lost and our economy is being undermined. I have dealt with many businesses in Gorey, Enniscorthy, Wexford, New Ross, Bunclody, Ferns and throughout the county of Wexford who are struggling to keep the door open. Charities, community groups and sports clubs are all badly affected. Many businesses have experienced substantial and unjustifiable insurance increases. Honest people are suffering. The majority of claims made under insurance policies are legitimate. There are two major issues concerning claims. Firstly, there is the issue that even in legitimate claims, the payouts by courts are over 4 times those of comparable claims in the UK. This is unacceptable and not sustainable. Secondly, there is a very serious issue of fraudulent claims. We are all aware of many instances of fraudulent or exaggerated claims being made and settled. There have been instances of policyholders pleading with insurance companies to contest these claims, but to no avail. We need to get tough on insurance fraud. We need to tackle the insurance fraud culture in Ireland. It is not a victimless crime. Insurance fraud costs us all. We need to see tough penalties imposed on those who take false claims, and this bill that we are discussing today increases those penalties for those bringing fraudulent claims. Section 26 of the Civil Liability and Courts Act of 2004 makes it an offence to knowingly give evidence that is false and misleading. If a claim is dismissed because of Section 26, it ignores the significant cost incurred by either the defendant or the insurance company defending those claims. To defend a case in the court of law is exceptionally expensive and puts many people off from defending those claims. This bill here today stipulates that where a case is dismissed under Section 26, that the claimant will have to pay the legal costs of the defendant. This will not only compensate defendants, but act as a significant deterrent to insurance fraudsters. In addition, the bill will increase the maximum fine for a summary conviction to a Class A fine, which currently stands at €5,000. Currently, the maximum penalty for a summary conviction is a prison sentence of up to 12 months and or a fine of €3,000. This Fianna Fáil bill here today will increase the time served for a conviction in the Circuit Court to a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in jail and or a fine of up to €100,000. This government is once again playing catch-up on insurance reform. The government has yet to establish a national claims information database to track the level of claims. That was to be done by June 2018. It is yet to tackle insurance fraud. It is yet to establish a judicial council to compile guidelines for general damages relating to personal injuries, yet to establish a publicly funded anti-fraud unit in An Garda Síochána, yet to set up a business insurance premium index that would track prices over time, and yet to take any action on stabilising personal injury claims. This is all the while the European Commission and the Competition and Consumer Protection Commission continue to investigate the industry for anti-competitive behaviour. The Fine Gael Independence Government has a mandate from this House to make the necessary reforms to tackle insurance fraud. It is wasting that mandate through the sleepy way it is failing to address the very serious and crisis situation in rising costs of insurance. This Fianna Fáil bill, which seeks to dramatically increase the penalties on those who commit insurance fraud, sends out a clear message. The government needs to listen and to act to prevent any more businesses closing. Thank you.